the difference between relevancy and admissibility very much detail. Admissibility is based on logic, but admissibility is not based on logic but on strict rules of law. On the contrary, relevancy is based on logic and probability. Whether a particular fact is a relevant fact or not, it depends upon the logic and probability. On the basis of logic only, we declare whether this fact is relevant to the other fact or not. On the contrary, when we are talking about admissibility, admissibility is never based on logic. It is always based on strict provisions of law. Now, second point of difference, the rules of admissibility are described after section 56 of the Evidence Act. This is the provision where we can see the rules of admissibility. On the contrary, rules of relevancy are declared under section 5 to 55. Whether a particular fact is a relevant fact or not can be discovered in the provisions under section 5 to 55. Now, point number 3, the admissibility declares whether certain type of relevant evidence are admissible or to be excluded. The rules of admissibility helps us to determine whether the certain type of evidences which are declared by the Evidence Act to be relevant are admissible or not. On the contrary, rules of relevancy declare whether a particular fact is a relevant fact or not. Point number 4, admissibility is means and are modes for admissibility of a relevant evidence, because it helps us in determining whether a particular fact which is declared by Evidence Act to be relevant is actually admissible or not. So basically, admissibility is the means and modes for the admissibility of a relevant evidence. On the contrary, under Evidence Act, the rules of relevancy means relevant evidence. They may be admissible or not. Just because a fact has been declared as a relevant fact by virtue of section 5 to 55 of the Evidence Act does not itself make that fact admissible. So there can be condition that a particular fact is relevant, but at the same time it is not admissible in the court of law, and we have seen the example of communication during marriage under section 122 and communication between an advocate or his client under section 126 of the Evidence Act. Point number 5, the facts which are admissible are necessarily relevant. So every fact which is admissible in the court of law has to be relevant. This is a mandatory provision. We can say that if this is admissibility, then this is relevancy. So every admissible fact is a relevant fact, but every relevant fact is not admissible under the court of law. So this is the basic difference between relevancy and admissibility as per the provisions of Indian Evidence Act.